Tesla Model 3's new and updated version, which is going to replace the current Tesla Model 3, and it's called the Project Highland, has been recently cited and spotted by several people. And they have seen certain changes, as you're about to see in these images. But I want to tell you something very important. Changes to the exterior design that you're about to see are not the really big deal here. It is the likely improvements in Tesla's manufacturing that really matters, because you're going to get a more higher quality vehicle. And Tesla might be using a partial unboxed approach before the full use of that at Gigafactory Mexico. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and let's get started. So a recent sighting of the Tesla Model 3 Project Highland edition teases upgrades for the sedan's front bumper. So the front bumper is going to change. Tech content creator Colin W from the Bay Area recently spotted a Tesla Model 3 Highland edition. He saw the upgraded Model 3 sedan cruise through Palo Alto, California. Colin shared pictures of the Tesla Model 3 through his X account. If you know, X is the previous Twitter, and asked his followers if they spotted any changes. Colin wrote, Tesla Model 3 Project Highland just spotted in Palo Alto, California. Any changes here? Most of the pictures the tech content creator collected showed a Model 3 with the front and back bumper covered. The photos hint that Tesla changed or upgraded the Highland Model 3's front and back, keeping most of the all-electric sedan body the same. The front bumper of the Model 3 drew the most attention. The Tesla Model 3 Highland edition looks a little longer in the nose or front bumper compared to the version currently out of the market. There also seems to be a camera at the tip of the Model 3's nose, similar to the Cybertruck, Tesla's electric pickup truck. The new camera placement hint that the Model 3 Highland is fully equipped for Tesla Vision and no longer has ultrasonic sensors. The new Tesla Model 3 will likely be equipped with Tesla's Hardware 4.0. The Tesla Model 3 Project Highland unit was spotted in winter testing in New Zealand earlier this month. If you remember, the electric sedan is going to rest of Tesla's lineup at the Southern Hemisphere Proving Ground in New Zealand. The Model 3 Highland vehicle was covered in black at the time, making any changes indiscernible at that time. Tesla is expected to start production of the Project Highland Model 3 units very soon. During the company's Q2 2023 earnings call, Tesla executives noted that factory upgrades might affect its production during the third quarter. Here's what they said. We continue to target 1.8 million vehicles deliveries this year, although we expect that Q3 production will be a little bit down because we've got summer shutdowns for a lot of factory upgrades. So just probably a slight decrease in production in Q3 for sort of global factory upgrades, said Elon Musk. So, Project Highland Tesla Model 3 is going to come with some obvious design changes and improvements, but like I said earlier in this report, the most important thing that you need to pay attention, friends, is the quality of production, the improvements of production, the way Tesla makes vehicles, and we'll see that constant improvements. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. So what do you think about the Tesla Model 3 Project Highland unit? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and let's have a discussion there. God bless you, and let's move on to our next story. Seeing more Tesla Cybertrucks that continue to roll across the production lines at Gigafactory, Texas. Friends, welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Tesla Cybertruck continues to roll across production lines at Gigafactory, Texas, as another sighting shared recently indicates that the automaker is working hard to get Tesla Cybertruck pickup trucks ready for production. After the first Cybertruck unit was built on lines at Gigafactory, Texas a few weeks ago, which I commented and shared here, Tesla is continuing to push forward and work toward initial deliveries, which are still expected by the end of the year. Perhaps the newest Cybertruck unit built by Tesla was spotted on a line at Giga Texas and was shared to a Facebook group via Gregor Truck. And Gregor Truck says a video, this is on Twitter also. I don't know if I should refer to it as Twitter or X. By the way, is it still tweeting or Xing or Xting? Any ideas? Let me know, please. What do you think? Gregor Truck says a video of a Cybertruck being built was posted on the Tesla Cybertruck book page group a few days ago. Continued release candidate. So this is probably a release candidate. Friends, we only get a brief look at the pickup apparently being surveyed by numerous onlookers, as the Cybertruck is evidently a wow factor, even for those who see it on a daily basis as they work toward initial mass production. Now, to be fair here, these people are not surveyors. Those people work there that I said surveying. They are inspecting the vehicle for correct tolerances and assembly. They are fine-tuning the production of Cybertrucks and the production startup. They aren't just locals with nothing to do that wandered over from another part of the factory. So these people work there. Now, the car is still going through its validation and testing phases according to Tesla, but the automaker is more than ready to get the first units to customers after a nearly 4-year wait. Now, if you guys are Cybertruck reservation holders, let me know if you have any idea when you expect your Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is a different pickup truck in the realm of pickups, and its massive design, which is made up of new materials and new technology, is something that even a manufacturing expert like Tesla is having to work through with the initial kinks. Elon Musk said during the recent Q3 2023 earnings call, he said, "I do want to emphasize that the Cybertruck has a lot of new technology in it, like a lot. It doesn't look like any other vehicle because it is not like any other vehicle. So, and the production ramp will move as fast as the slowest and least likely elements of the entire supply chain and internal production." He also highlighted the difference between the Cybertruck and past vehicles. You know what he said? He said, "But first order approximation, there's like 10,000 unique parts and processes in the Cybertruck, and if any one of it will go as fast as the least lucky, least well-executed element of the 10,000. It is going to take some time, friends, for Tesla to get grips on Cybertruck production, especially by Elon Musk's estimate, as it took with the Model 3 especially, and then a little bit less than for the Model Y. That seems to be why sightings of any unit on a production line have so much hype behind them. I just don't know why some Cybertrucks are covered with camouflage and others are not. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. So what do you think in this video? What do you see in this video in the production line of Cybertruck? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's have a discussion. God bless you, and let's move on to our next story, friends.